We are in Minneapolis at Minnehaha and 28th Avenue South at Mel-O-Glaze Bakery. We used to love to come here to get their heart-shaped sugar cookies. Oh my God, she threw in extras.
Ooh.
So we got, it was $9.50. We got 2 of our favorite cookies. Oh, it's warm.
Is it? Nope.
They changed the recipe a few years back.
Nope.
Skip the heart-shaped cookies.
Not good.
Luckily we got other stuff too. These are melt in your mouth peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. That's really good. It's a bit light on the chocolate chips with 1 chocolate chip in here. So my friend Valerie, hi Valerie, said that she loves Mel-O-Glaze for the donuts. Don't let her drop. So Susan got a twist. Always with the buses. And I got a cherry donut.
Okay. These donuts are epic.
This is amazing. The glaze is amazing. The glaze, like, it's in your mouth and then it just turns to liquid.
That is good. I'm afraid I'm getting bit by a bug, am I? Oh, damn it. Sorry.
I'm gonna finish up that cherry donut in a second, but she also gave us 2 free donut holes. Crap.
Is there a hint of lemon and everything?
It's amazing. That donut hole is amazing. That donut hole is amazing. So, Mel-O-Glaze Bakery, I'll put a picture of the logo. Skip the cookies. Not worth your time, not worth your dime, but their donuts are delicious. Guess it's time to go.